Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am your English teacher Shakil Ahmed, class 3rd primary. Today our topic is aquatic animals. Dear students, aquatic animal is an animal which lives in water for most or all of its life. Aquatic animals living in fresh water are called freshwater animals, and those living in saltwater bodies such as sea oceans, etc., are called marine animals. Varieties of aquatic animals. Number 1, sea turtles. They have been on earth for earlier than 220 million years and have survived extreme weather changes which wiped out even the dinosaurs. Dear students, look the picture. Number 2, seahorse. Seahorses are tiny fishes that are named for the shape of their head, which looks like the head of a tiny horse. Dear students, next, dolphins. Dolphin, it is one of the most beautiful, intelligent and friendly aquatic animals. The young ones live with their mothers until they are 3 years old. Jellyfish, they are one of the oldest aquatic organisms and came into the existence even before the dinosaurs. Today you have got some information about aquatic animals. Hope this will prove beneficial for you. Thank you.